Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear friends and students. In this video, I am briefly telling you about the history of Germany. The area that is now Germany was inhabited by Germanic speaking tribes for many centuries. They first became part of the Frankish Empire under the rule of Charlemagne, who is considered the father of the German monarchy. Much of Germany also became part of the Holy Roman Empire. From 1700 to 1918, the Kingdom of Prussia was established in Germany. In 1914, World War I broke out, and you all know that Germany was on the losing side of the war and is estimated to have lost 2 million soldiers. In the wake of World War I, Germany tried to recover. There was revolution and the monarchy collapsed. Soon, a young leader named Adolf Hitler rose to power. He created the Nazi Party, which believed in the superiority of the German race. He became dictator and decided to expand the German Empire. He started World War II and at first conquered much of Europe, including France. However, later the US, Britain and the Allies managed to defeat Hitler and Germany lost the war. After war, Germany was divided into two countries, East Germany and West Germany. The Federal Republic of Germany, West Germany, was allied to the Western democracies, and the German Democratic Republic, Eastern Germany, allied to Soviet Union. East Germany was a communist state under control of the Soviet Union, while West Germany was a free market state. The Berlin Wall was built between the two countries to prevent people from escaping from East Germany to the West, and this became a central point and focus of the Cold War. With the collapse of the Soviet Union and communism, the wall was torn down in 1989, and in October 3, 1990, East and West Germany were reunited into one country, that is the modern day Germany. That was a very brief overview of the history of Germany. I hope that you all have liked it. Take care. Allah Hafiz.